Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today we have another fun Easter food craft to share. In this video, we show you how to make delicious hot cross buns for your American Girl dolls. If you enjoy this video, we'd love it if you hit that like button, subscribe to support our channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss a DIY. So, let's get making! For this craft, we are using Model Magic white air-dry clay mixed with yellow. Combine your two clays, kneading thoroughly to get a light cream colour. When using air-dry clay, you want to work on a non-stick surface. Here we have a clear plastic binder pocket on our table. And for uniform size buns, we reference the inch circle from this stencil set. Pinch off some clay and roll it into a ball. Place it inside the circle to know if you need more or less clay. Prepare more so we can make a set of 6. To shape the ball into a bun, take a plastic ruler and gently press down to flatten the center of the clay. Repeat this step on all 4 sides. Next, push the edge of your ruler into the bun vertically and horizontally for the classic hot-crossed bun markings. Here we have a plastic spatula from a Play-Doh set. Place the flat tip into the line we just made and rock it gently from side to side to widen the grooves. Hopefully you can see the difference this makes looking at the bun on the left versus the original one on the right. Now to texture. Using a toothpick or pin, lightly draw an oval shape on the side of your bun. Then scratch and flick the clay in different directions to create a fluffy bread-like texture. Depending where the bread rests in our 6-pack, you may need to texture 2 or even 3 sides. Leave your clay overnight to dry out and harden. Now it's time to paint. For the initial base layer, we mixed 2 parts white with 1 part yellow ochre for a light brown shade. Apply this colour to the top, sides and bottom, but avoid the textured areas since we want this to remain the original clay colour. Next, we added a mid-tone brown to give our buns that baked look. Paint this on the top of the bun, blending the colour down the side. Again, do not shade the textured bread area. For that extra baked goodness, dab on a dark brown paint like burnt sienna. You don't need much. With a damp paintbrush, blend the colour from the top of the bun down the smooth sides, fading it out about halfway, since this lower area would be inside the baking tray. For icing, we used white puffy paint. Squeeze the product into the grooves we made before. If you don't have puffy paint, you can always substitute this step with normal paint, but it won't have the same thick 3D effect. Okay, to add Raisin Detail, we took tiny drops of clear puffy paint and placed them randomly over the top of the bun with a dotting tool. When the product is dry, mix dark blue with a hint of red paint to colour in the raisins. They look so yummy, but for that added realistic shine, apply Mod Podge to the top of each bun. We've had so much fun making these delicious hot-crossed buns for our dolls to serve this Easter or any time. If you'd like to keep crafting, check out our Easter cake and 3 easy Easter treats videos. Links are in the description box. Thanks for spending your time with us, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!